Hi everyone, my name is Juliana and today I will be doing a technique presentation on positive affirmations. So positive affirmations are positive statements that can help you to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. So when you repeat them often and you believe in them, you can start to see positive changes in your life. So in some cases, positive affirmations have shown to help people who have low self-esteem, depression, and those who have other mental health conditions. I used this technique a lot when I worked in an outpatient setting. I used to run treatment groups for geriatric patients who have mental health disorders, and I found that using positive affirmation was great to boost their self-esteem and their confidence, and also to help eliminate any stress or depression that they were facing in their lives. So I will be using positive affirmations in my case to eliminate the effects of stress. And I'm going to focus on more my workplace because that is where I'm dealing with the most amount of stress right now. So when completing positive affirmations, it is important that your statements, your affirmation statements, are focusing on the areas of your life that you'd like to change. But you just want to make sure that your affirmations can be achieved. For example, in most cases, a lot of people want to change their financial status, and sometimes that can be achieved, but you don't want to make positive affirmations that cannot be achieved. So, for example, writing that you want to get a raise, you just want to think about, can you achieve that? Is that capable in your department, etc. Another important aspect of positive affirmations is just to make sure that you're turning your negative thoughts into positive ones. So to complete the positive affirmations, the first step is just to identify a safe and calming space. So obviously in this scenario, you see I'm outside. This is kind of where I feel most at peace right now in my life. The second step is you just want to find a place to sit where you feel most comfortable. I'm most comfortable here. I'm kind of secluded. No one can really see me from the house. So this is where I chose to sit. So step 3 is you're going to take a piece of paper and a pen, and you're going to start to visualize the change that you would like to see. So when you do your visualization, you can either write it down or you're going to say it out loud. So I'm just going to visualize myself at work, and I'm just going to write down a couple statements. So from my visualization, I wrote down work, coworkers, and laughter. So I visualized myself at work where I'm under a great amount of stress, so I tried to focus on something positive about that workspace. So like I said, I focused on my work, but also my coworkers and laughter. So I tried to make it something positive. So the next step is you're going to turn that visualization into an actual positive affirmation. So when you're thinking about positive affirmation statements, there's some things that you need to do. So first, they always have to be in present tense. You want it to be something now, what you're working on now. And second, you want to make sure they're I statements. So I'm going to think about my visualization and I'm going to turn it into affirmations. I'm going to do about 4 or 5 of them. It's all depending on the individual. There's no amount that you have to do. I'm just choosing to kind of do 4 or 5. So for the first one, I wrote, I am grateful for the job I have. The second one I wrote is, I enjoy working with my team. The third one that I wrote is I bring a positive attitude to work every day. And for the fourth one, I'm going to make that more individualized. I wrote, I am proud of myself. So after you complete your affirmations, it's really important that you repeat them several times a day. In most cases, some people do not repeat them, and that's why they don't work. What I would do is, since a lot of this is focused around my workplace, I will bring these affirmations with me to work, and they will be something that I look at every day when I'm starting to get that negative, intrusive thoughts in my brain about work. So like I said, so after completing your affirmations, it's important to repeat them several times a day, especially when you find yourself slipping into that negative self-talk or you find yourself engaging in negative behavior. So that is it for my technique presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.